First, install the auger, turn it once, and install it all the way in. The pre-cutting plate has one narrow side and one wide side. With the narrow side facing inwards and the small holes aligned, install it all the way in. Next, install the reamer. The reamer's cutting edge must be aligned with the direction of rotation. Next, install the reamer sleeve. Next, install the whole plate. Install the clamping sleeve, making sure the side with the plastic core faces inwards. Then install the external fasteners and tighten the nuts.